Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add half page color in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. In this video, I will show that half page color. Now I can see I do the page is the small. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click, then click for the shape option. Now click for the rectangle shape option. Now draw a shape in half page. Then we show. Now this is color. The format menu option. Now click for the shape fill option. Then it is color. That's it. Then I show add half page color in Microsoft Word is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.